Hello everyone, today I will show you the best strategy for trading. This is a broker, you see, very easy, and we need this AI board. That's a very cool AI board. Let's go select language, English, and done, and start trading. Okay, get signal, OTC, nice, waiting, and we can check. Okay, outcut OTC, that's the first. Let's go outcut OTC, and we need find outcut OTC. Look at this, outcut OTC, nice. And let's go 1 minute, outcut OTC, confirm request, and waiting, preparing the signal. And let's watch. Down. Okay, let's go. Open down, 1 minute, $100, and let's go waiting this signal. Maybe we make profit. Please check my balance and waiting. 2, 1, let's go. So very nice. We make $192. That's very cool. And signal is good. Okay, let's watch. Result is plus and signal close. Oh, that's very cool. Name of the bot on this screen. Okay, let's go new signal, cat signal, and OTC. Let's go the next. Let's go out USD OTC. Let's go the next M1, and let's go find out USD OTC. Okay, look at this, and confirm request. Preparing the signal, waiting the signal, and down. Let's go down. Open down, $100, and waiting.
Ela tá cheia de tesão, eu vou te fuder com amor.
3, 2, 1, and let's go watch. Nice, we make 192 again. So look, my balance is very cool. Okay, let's go the next, and you see signal closed, but oh, result minus. I don't understand what is problem, but we make profit and it's so cool. Okay, let's go new signal, get signal, and the last signal we can open. Okay, let's go maybe Euro NZD OTC. Euro NZD OTC. Let's find it. Euro NZD OTC. No, we can't find it. Let's go Euro GBP. Euro GBP OTC we can find it. Okay, Euro GBP OTC. Yeah, Euro GBP OTC. Nice, I can find it. 1 minute, and Euro GBP OTC. Let's go. Oh no, Euro GBP OTC. Nice. 1 minute, confirm request, and preparing the signal. Waiting, get signal down. Okay, down, open, and waiting this signal. 3, 2, 1, and that's done. Okay, that signal is lost. And friends, if you need this AI board, check under this video link and you can find this board. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Name of this board on this screen you can find in Telegram, and broker, don't forget about broker, link under this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe and share with friends. Bye bye everyone.